her, was a very good friend to everyone. She always helps those who are in need, especially in financial matters, even if they are not close to her. She always made the group happy and full of fun. Grams was a true friend in times of ups and downs of her friend's life. She was always there to help and not expecting anything in return. I will miss Remy's smile, her gesture, the way she talks, the way she reasons out in a funny way when you don't agree on what she's doing. She was a very loving friend. I will miss the time hanging out with her anytime in Makati. I will miss the time talking with her on the phone for long hours. I will miss Rems when we go out of town during the HRTC days in Softec. I will miss listening and sharing our stories about work, career goals, dreams, and especially about love life. She was a friend who will always come anytime you call her after work or during weekends, although you have to be prepared that she will be late. It was Rem's trademark for being late. All her friends were always patiently waiting for her all the time, and when she came, it seemed like nothing happened because she was very happy, or I mean, she was very special to the whole group. As I remember, when we started at HRDC year 1995, and very fresh young graduates, Remy was one of those new friends I met. We became close right away. We loved to work, we loved to stay for long hours at work, and we even worked sometimes during Sundays. We loved to hang out after work in Makati. We loved to watch movies, sleep over with other FBC friends, and we loved to hang out and waste our time chatting, eating at McDonald's, Jollibee, KFC, Wendy's, and landmark food courts. Anywhere as long as there were enough place for the whole group. Having good time with the boss who gave us a treat at Friday or during Friday or Saturday night at Music 21 Street 9, Tia Maria's and other fancy restaurants in Makati. I know all SDC can rely on what I am saying here. There are lots of good memories we had with Remy, like our company outing, sports fest, Christmas party, birthday, out of town, and other adventures we had with Rem during Softec days. Those were the days, and we miss those days of our lives. I never thought that I could not see her anymore after I leave. I will treasure all the good days and memories she shared with me. I will never forget her because she was one of those true friends I have, who were one of the kind person I ever met in my life. A friend who doesn't look after of what you have in a material way, but a friend who will love you of who you are. May you rest in peace, my friend Remy, and I love you from Cherry. And yung isa is from Jen, said here, di man kami ganun ka-close na nagkasama ni Ate Rem, isa ako sa sobrang nalungkot sa nangyari. Alam ko, ibang treatment ng SDC family. Alam ng bawat isa yan, kaya nakakalungkot pag may isa na wala. Ate Rem, saan ka man ngayon, we all know you're finally resting in peace. We love you, Ate Rem. Gusto pwedeng